She hails from Majorda. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our second finalist of Voice of Goa, Ansi Gonsalves.
Okay, I'm now Ansi Gonsalves, and I'm doing a song that's done by Alfred Rose and Rita Rose. Okay, judges, I'm doing a bit of variation in the song. I hope you like it. My try, a tribute to Alfred Rose.
संसार सगळोच दिसता काळो तुझ्या मोगान हांव जाला तुझ्या मुखार माणका मोच्या हांव सोमणीची धून तू दिसताय जिवोचा दिलना काय तुरा sombira morzalantor maga godor jiu jisuka tu mojesu diuna gaidu tu mozoru lagonamu tu chevire sonsar sogalo vista kalo माझे फूल तू एक बुलबुल तुझ्या मोगान हांव जाला तुझ्या मुखार माणका मोच्या हांव सोमणीची धून
Cash prize of rupees 20,000 goes to Nancy Gonzalez. There is a cash prize and there is a trophy as well waiting for Nancy. Congratulations to you. If I may request Mr. Ankit to please do the honors. Many congratulations to you.